Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make role in Discord. So let's go to browser and log into your Discord account. After login, you can see here your servers. Choose one server, then click on this option. Then go to server settings. The second option. Then go to roles. Then you can see your available roles here. If you want to create a new role, like any role, GG boys, create role, new role. It will come first new role, then you have to rename this again, GG boys. I'm saying boys, sure. Okay, GG boys, green. You can set any colors. Okay, so now click on save changes. Then you can see here GG boys one role is coming to your server. It is added. So guys, this is how you can add any role to your server or channel. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.